mean, I think of nature as being one of my lovers.
Mm.
And I have different lovers in life. How is nature one of my lovers? Well, I can think of just a couple of ways right now. Okay. When I go outside and I'm close to the trees are breathing in my carbon dioxide, and the trees are breathing out the oxygen that I breathe in. That is mouth to mouth resuscitation, and that is the ultimate lover. Okay. And of course, it's not just the trees and the plants there are doing it, and the creatures and the animals.